Hello, welcome. This is Karol, and today we're going to look at the big question: is affiliate marketing saturated? Alright, let's have a look at it. It's a big question, many people are asking it, so let's have a look at it. Alright, so first of all, what actually it means to be saturated. Alright, let's have a look at the word saturated. Now, saturated means that there is pretty much no reason for you. No, it's not worth for you to get into something because you're not gonna make any significant income from it, right? That's pretty much what saturated means. Now, with affiliate marketing, we need to understand that affiliate marketing is a $12 billion industry, all right? And it's just growing every single year, okay? It's I think it's around 10% this year, which is just growing, all right? So it's a huge industry, huge market. And even if you would, just get a little bit of a small slice of that big portion, you would do quite well, all right? Now, so that's pretty much, just what is the definition of the saturated. Now, let's have a look at what affiliate marketing or where affiliate marketing stands in it, right? Now, there are pretty much two answers to that question. If affiliate marketing is saturated, it is yes and no. And let me just start with yes. Yes, it is saturated. It is saturated with people who think of affiliate marketing as a get-rich-quick scheme. All right, people who get into or get hooked up onto the big headlines that you can make loads of money from it without any work. The laptop lifestyle, the passive income, and all of that stuff. But they are not willing to do any work to actually achieve that, all right? With these people, affiliate marketing is saturated, right? And that's why if you see people who say affiliate marketing is saturated, chances are these are the people who are not willing to do the work out of it, right? Now, these people, it's around 95% of people who actually get into affiliate marketing, right? So these are the get rich people, right? Now, don't get me wrong, like we all kind of like the idea of not having to work and just having the streams of income, right? That's completely understandable. But these are there are people who get hooked up, they get into it for like a week or two, and then they just see that they need to do something which is out of their comfort zone or something they are not used to do. They need to change something in their lives and they are just not willing to do it. So with these people, yes, affiliate marketing is saturated, and it's 95% of the people. Now, with the real affiliate marketers, with people who actually make money and who are really, the ones who are willing to change, who are willing to do the work, who have the patience and the perseverance to do all the work, with that, the answer is no, it's not saturated. These people are around 5% of them, and these are the real affiliate marketers, okay? Now, it doesn't necessarily mean you need to have as a 5%. That doesn't mean you need to have a big, numbers, big income streams, right? That you have big results and all the stuff. It doesn't necessarily need to be like that, okay? There are people who are starting out, but they are starting in the good way, and they are doing the work. They are willing to change. They are willing to get out of their comfort zone. All right, they are just kind of like in the beginning of the process, on the journey of it, all right, and they will eventually get for these results. Okay, they will eventually get the results. So that's why they are in this field. But again, it's, as you can see, only 5% of people who actually get involved into affiliate marketing are the ones who are going to achieve it. And to be honest with you, this is pretty much with any business model you would possibly get into it, all right? Now, I've been into several business models, all right? And if you don't know my story, I've been into MLM, I was doing drop shipping, eBay, Amazon FBA, all of this stuff, you know, and it all takes some time, you know, to actually see the results. You will need to learn new things, which is completely fine, because that's the way how we grow as human beings, all right? By learning, by getting to know new things and all of that stuff. So it's all, you know, part of the process, and some of us it takes longer for us, some of us is, you know, quicker, but eventually if you follow the steps, if you go through the things, if you get out of your comfort zone, you will eventually see the results. Now, with affiliate marketing, with regards to affiliate marketing, there are a few things that these 5% are willing to do or are actually doing it, which these 95% people are not willing to do. This is pretty much something called like a video, okay? Video marketing. These people are doing video marketing. They do go out and they record a video just like this one, all right? Face to face, or maybe just if they are scared, you know, or the fear of the camera, they just go out and do a screen recording, which is completely fine, you know, for the start. Even though I highly suggest you and recommend you to go out there and do a video just like this one. If you don't know my story, I mentioned it several times in other videos that in the beginning I was so petrified of videos, right? It took me 36 attempts to record my first video, you know, literally from the start to the finish, and I haven't even used the video at the end of it. So it takes some time, you know, but eventually you get through it. And video marketing is really one of the most powerful things you could possibly use in your affiliate marketing business, or any business at all, online business. That's marketing of today, the video. Alright, so that's video, for example, okay? Then it's pretty much branding yourself, okay? Because, you know, affiliate marketing, even in its name, you have marketing, right? So you need to market things, and you are as an individual, as an affiliate marketer, so you need to brand yourself, you need to market yourself, right? You need to learn that as well, okay? Unless you already know that, of course, but we need to learn this thing and we need to implement it into the everyday life, all right? Branding. Then it is, you know, I don't know, mastering of the traffic sources, right? For example, paid traffic or anything else, even organic traffic, you know, mastering the organic traffic. You know, learn how to do it, okay? It's not only about putting some content out and just, you know, wishing for good results. It needs to be, you know, studied and learned. It's not difficult, but, you know, if you're going to see it for the first time, it's going to be very strange for you. But as you go through it and you learn it, it's going to be way easier for you and more natural, right? So traffic. What else is there? You know, using content, you know, bringing valuable content for people. All right, let me just put it over here. Value. Okay, it's all about value. Many people, especially these 95% people, will just go out there and try to sell. You know, be that sleazy salesperson who just pushes you towards some kind of sale, right? Purchase or whatever. 5%, only 5% of people will focus on valuable information, giving valuable content, giving valuable information, because they know that it's way more powerful than a pushy salesperson, right? So that's all what it's taken now. It might seem as, you know, something difficult to do or anything. It's not. It's not. I've been doing it as well. I've been going through the courses and all of that stuff. So it's not difficult. You just need to be kind of like shown how to. Once you see how it is done, it's very easy. And that's why I've created a 4-day video series where I go literally from A to Z on how to actually build your internet presence, how you actually, you know, create your affiliate marketing business. So you approach people with the right way, and you get the affiliate marketing business you always wanted. Alright, so if you're interested in it, it's completely free. You get access in the link in the link in the description below, alright? And if not, completely fine. I will see you in the next video, and by then, have a great day. Bye guys.